This is an interesting little job that I've just done. This is this came in with this. This is the old front, and the meter itself has actually lost all its colour and is absolutely cream crackered. But it's the older type, and what that meant was that the chassis was actually folded and this was all one part. So you can just see here what I've had to do is cut the whole of the front off and then put in a bracket here, like an angle bracket, and then put the new front, which is from the later dummy load. The rest of it is exactly the same. And I've drilled and tapped and actually made a whole complete new front for it. So, or you know, like mounting, put now the new supplied front on it with the new type meter, which is much bigger, and actually put that on. The wiring I've had to work out because it's all different. So you can see there, I think just about, you can see that one plug is reversed and the other one is around the other way, but I've had to try and work out where things go. And also on the top here, this plug, just resolder a few connections on because they weren't in the right place. Yeah, so everything is now really cool. So I've got a bag of old bits, the new thing, and away we go. So that is a lovely dummy load from Palstar, which has now been brought right up to date. Thanks for watching.